Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the first part of the tutorial on how to model a molded GRP saddle. At the end part of this tutorial, I will show you what is the use or function of this saddle. This is the finished drawing of the GRP saddle. In this basic method, we will be using the following commands: extrude boss, extrude cut, indent, combine, shell, and delete keep body. So let's get started. First, I will open a new part template. Then I will create a sketch from the front plane. I will draw a circle representing the outside diameter of the cylinder, having a diameter of 1616. I will change the line type to construction. Since this is only an imaginary circle, then I will split this into two parts. Select the circle and select split entities. One on the left side and the other is on the right side. Press Escape K to cancel the command. Make the 2 points horizontal. So select the first point, hold down your Control key and select the second point. Select Make horizontal. Now the lower arc, I will change the line type of the lower arc to solid. So I will click construction geometry. The next step is draw uh, to draw two vertical center lines from the center of the circle to the bottom of the circle, then from the bottom to the ground. Press the escape key to exit the command. From the sketch tab, select the smart dimension, then dimension this line to 150 mm. After that, I will draw a horizontal midpoint line from the end point of the short line. The length of this line is 1798 millimeter. 1798. Exit the dimension command. Then continue drawing lines from this point to here and connect to the endpoint. The next step is to dimension the height from this line to this. The distance is 550 millimeter. Now I will mirror the two lines to the opposite side. I will pre-select the two lines plus the center line and click Mirror Entities. You will notice that the two inclined lines are blue in color. It means that these lines are not fully constrained. So by dimensioning these 2 points, 1626, now the sketch is fully constrained because the color is black. So except the dimension command, sorry, this one is 1700. Okay, then except the sketch mode, click the isometric and extrude boost this sketch, and the end condition is made plain with a thickness of 380 mm. Click OK. Now you have the solid saddle. Now select the right plane and select the sketch. Click normal 2 and I will draw a center line, vertical center line. Escape and I will draw the profile. Select these two endpoints by pressing the Control key plus the center line and select Make Symmetric. Then dimension this inclined line from the horizontal line at 85 degrees. Click OK. Then exit the sketch mode. Click isometric, then click extrude cut. Now in the end condition, select true or both and check this flip side to cut. It means that outside of this previewed object will be removed. Click OK, and now the sides have draft angle. Okay. The next step is to fillet the edges with 15 mm radius. So I will select fillet, select this edge, this one, and the four corners. You'll make the radius to 15 mm and click OK. Repeat the process for these remaining edges and click OK. Next is to make a thickness of 10 mm on the body. At the moment, this is a solid body. So we'll use the command shell. Thickness is 10 mm and uncheck shell outward because we will shell going inside. Check this show preview and from faces to remove, we will select the bottom face. So click OK. Now it has a thickness of 10 mm. Next is to zoom a little bit to the model to see more clearly. Then select the bottom face. From the pop-up menu, select sketch. Let us view from the bottom, then draw a center rectangle with a dimension of 1920 and 520. Accept the dimension command, accept the sketch, click isometric, and click extrude. The thickness is 20 mm and click reverse direction. Make sure the arrow is pointing upward. Leave the merge result to uncheck. At this time, we will not combine these two solids. Click OK. Click somewhere in the open area of your screen to deselect object. Rotate your model so that we can see the bottom. Then click Indent. target body, select the flange. The tool body region will be your main body. And check this button. What it does, it will cut the common volume of the two solids. So click OK. Then click delete body and select this solid. Click OK. Now at this time we will combine these two solids. Click the flange and the main body and click OK. This is now a single solid body. So let us fill it the eternal edge of 20 mm. Click OK. And the remaining edge at 10 mm radius. The next step is to make opening on the top. So select the this face, click sketch, then click normal tool, and I will draw two centered lines. One is horizontal and the other one is vertical. So from this point to origin and from origin to midpoint. Press the escape key to cancel the command. Then draw a center rectangle on this area. Make sure the center point of the rectangle is coincident with this horizontal line. Then dimension, this one, this is 90 mm and this one is 190 mm. The next step is to mirror this rectangle to the opposite side. So select, hold down Control key, then select and click mirror entities. The distance between these two lines is 1626 mm. Set the dimension command by pressing the escape key. Next is draw two horizontal lines connecting these two rectangles. So from here, this point to this. Press the escape key to cancel the command. Now select these three lines by crossing window select and select make symmetric. Click close. The distance between these two lines is 50 millimeter. So dimension this 50 mm. Close. Now next is to trim this line. So click trim entities, power trim, and check these two buttons. So click, hold down your left mouse button and drag your mouse until it touches the line. Release, same procedure to the other side. So hold, drag, release, and close the dialog. Exit the sketch, then click isometric. While the sketch is active or selected, it can be uh, it can be confirmed by each color. And from the feature tree, the sketch is blue, meaning it is selected. So we can click extrude cut. Now the end condition must be true and click OK and click somewhere in an open area in your screen to deselect object. Now we will apply material, right click and glass fiber. We have now completed this saddle. Save your model because later I will demonstrate the function of this saddle. Before I end this tutorial, as I promised in the beginning of this video, I will show you what is the use and function of this saddle. Please watch while I do the assembly. So this is the use or function of this saddle. The opening is for pouring concrete. So it concludes of this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please watch out for the future part 2 video of this tutorial because I will demonstrate another advanced method on how to model this saddle. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, please write on the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification button so that you will be updated in my future tutorials. Thank you.